In this video, we base ourselves at the beautiful township of Halls Gap while we head out and do some bushwalking to explore the Grampians.
Good morning.
Hello, hello.
We are in the Grampians.
Yeah.
Which is why he's got a beanie on.
She's fresh.
It's so cold.
It is.
But we got here yesterday. We're staying at Lakeside, which is beautiful. You're just surrounded by mountains. There's
nice
wildlife everywhere.
Yeah.
But this morning we've gotten up and decided to come and do the Pinnacle.
Yeah.
Why not do the biggest one? Well, probably not so big for us.
Well, it's taken the shortcut. We're starting from a shorter locale.
Let's be honest. We have not hiked in a very long time. We are not fit.
Yeah,
so
I was blowing hard just walking around the park yesterday. Looking forward to it. So
it's a beautiful day. I'm hoping that the scenery is really nice.
So Jat's cracker.
Yep. So anyway, less talking, more walking.
Let's go do this.
I just came up with a thing. Less talking, more walking. Right.
Jesus.
This is the car park at Sundale, which gets you a little bit closer to the Pinnacle. So it's about 4.5 k's round trip apparently to get up and back. And we're off.
We're off.
Gosh, my hat is just ruined. No, we're going to walk and warm up and you'll be fine.
I hope so.
Going down, thought we were supposed to be going up. I think this is where we start climbing and falling over. Bit of rock climbing now, not too bad. It is out here. Here's your sun, darling. So there, behind the damn wall is where we're staying. That's Lake Bellevue or something. We are nearly there. We're so nearly there. Once you get near the top, it's kind of every man for himself. There's no defined path. You're just picking your way through these rocks. And yes, I'm puffing.
Next class wants to get up to it. Come. Go on, you do it.
We have made it to the Pinnacle. Absolutely beautiful up here.
Yeah.
Stunning. Well worth it.
I would say it's in the top 3 walks for sure.
Absolutely. So we've just come a bit sideways from where that main lookout is. It's very busy. We're sort of early-ish, so it's what, maybe 3 families or whatever. But over here, just as nice views, a lot quieter, so we can actually sit down and take it all in.
Take it in, get a breather.
So beautiful.
It
wasn't that hard. There's a few steep stair climbs during it and then a rock scramble at the end.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it's really nice. So we're just going to sit here and take it all in.
Yeah, and then get ready for the walk back down.
Yeah. So on the way back we decided to do the little offshoot to the Lakeview lookout.
Yeah.
Which was only another 700 metres. Not there yet. But just realised that's adding another 1.4 k's to our walk. But that's fine.
Anyway.
We're nearly there.
It's nice.
Ooh, so pretty. Let's go have a look. Ooh, I see lookout. I just don't know how to get to it. Made it. Lakeview lookout.
A bit of the smoke coming out.
Made it to our second lookout of the day.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful and I am tired.
Yeah, legs are getting a bit weary.
A lot of stairs and rocks.
Yeah. Nothing too challenging from a scramble point of view. It's just...
We're at 4.5 k's though, and just a little bit to get back. So
yeah.
Could feel a snack on the cards.
Cold drink.
Yeah, sounds good.
But yeah,
Look
it's
at
beautiful.
This. Lovely.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's fresh up here because we're a bit higher in the mountains. So 20, I think it's at 12.
12.
On the car on the way up.
12 degrees.
So nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Hence the thicker jumper being pulled down.
And the neck blankets come out. Doesn't come out often.
This is a good one. This one.
Oh, this is. Show you. Look at that. You can really see the shape of it. So that would be the Halls Town, Halls Gap.
Yeah.
Town down there. So you can really see why it's called Halls Gap. So that was Baroka Lookout. Just a quick detour for us after we did
Our walks.
Our walks. On the way home, we're going to go home, have some lunch. Oh, we're going to go down here.
Yeah.
Go home, have some lunch, and the pools are apparently heated back at the tourist park. So
yeah.
we're going to try and soak our muscles in the heated pool. Oh, how's that for a view from the pool? Now, is it warm? Yeah? Alright, time to soak these muscles. Andrew. Good morning.
We are here.
Day 2. Last day, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we made the trek up the mountain this morning and we're going to go tackle Mackenzie Falls.
Yeah, go check it out anyway.
Yep, should be good. Not too many people here. So it's about 9:30 in the morning. And yeah, might do the top lookout, maybe go down the bottom. My bottom's a bit sore from all the stairs.
Yeah, legs are a bit. Legs, no, they did something yesterday.
Yeah, but we're going to push through.
And yeah, try and make the most of today, seeing we couldn't extend, which is, anyway, it is what it is. It
just meant we could have spaced the walks out a bit more, but we're just going to smash it all in today.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
Yep. No, it's awesome.
Let's go do this.
Let's do it. You can definitely hear the water. We've heard it for most of the walk. Now that we're nearly here, you can hear it a lot.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Woo.
Whooshka.
Well, the lookout walk was very easy, very level. Now we're doing the Mackenzie Falls walk, which takes you to the base. So it's saying 500 meters, but you got to get from the top of the mountain to the bottom of the mountain. So hopefully should be okay, and hopefully we survive the walk up.
Yeah.
Not just 260 steps, strenuous steps.
I might not be doing anything. So.
There he is. Step, 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 step. Ooh. Are you ready to be watered?
That smell reminds me of Smithfield.
Yes. That's the drop off there. Lovely. Getting speed now.
Pretty steep, these stairs. You wouldn't want it to be wet, and they'll be slippery as. Beautiful. Not a bad little sit out spot now. Usually that's
Starting the climb up.
Got me cleansed. Was able to dip my head in the water, which was nice. Nice fresh water.
Would be very fresh. I can confirm they were strenuous steps.
How bloody unreal. Oh, see some dirt roads down there. Wetlands.
This is Reed's Lookout. It's just in the car park, no walk, but there is a Balconies walk you can do, which we'll probably tackle next. This is beautiful.
Fresh. That's all we're about to tackle. Bit of cloud around, unfortunately, but hey, them are the breaks. Yeah, a bit of sun will come pop its head out, which is nice. I've got a couple of those chairs carved out along this track actually, which is pretty cool. Just randomly off to the side, so you got to look for them. What an eye. It's the longest bloody cave walk I've done. Feels like it. It's up this gradual incline.
If I didn't have my watch, I would have given up.
Yeah.
I would have thought we passed it. Look at the rock.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I think this is the one people come for sunrise.
I reckon the reason they put those up because the amount of people who would have sat on that.
Yeah. So that was the Balconies lookout. Once again, pretty epic, and there's a good little, probably at the halfway point, nice little outlook as well. How you doing, Car? You hanging in there?
Yeah, I'm about 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Yeah, I'm probably 7. Won't lie. But we'll stop up here. It's just it's just on the walking track. But it looked pretty nice actually. So we'll stop here and have a 5-minute breather. And no one else is here. So here we are.
Good afternoon.
Our final walk for the day.
Our final Grampians walk.
Yeah.
We fed ourselves, we rested, did some chores, ready to leave, and now it's time to walk.
Push on.
We've got a rally.
We've got a rally. Yeah, we could have easily. Legs are feeling it, but anyway.
I'm tired.
It's not an overly big walk, this one, anyway. So I think once we get moving.
I don't even think there's any elevation. Like it's not a mountain.
It's just a nice stroll, walk through the Botanic Gardens, and I think there's some some swimming holes. Venus pool. Yeah. So it's sort of in the heart of Hall's Gap anyway. So that's where you start the walk.
The brewery is just across the way.
That's the motivation anyway. We'll do a walk and then we'll get a cold treat, I think.
I might get an ice cream. Everyone else has. They must be the most fabulous ice creams going.
Yeah, well, you can go down that way. I'll go down that way. Happy days. All right,
we better do this.
Let's go do this walk.
There are kangaroos and emus everywhere in this town. And we have actually spied a couple of deer, but we haven't been able to get them on camera. That's a really big kangaroo. You probably can't tell. I don't want to go near it. He's got some monster claws. Yeah. He will scratch your face off. Hello, mate. I've been following this creek here as we do the walk. We think we've reached the baths. Oh, it's pretty waterfall. It's be banging in summer, Andrew.
Oh yeah, you can see there's some decent water coming through. Beautiful.
It was a pretty easy, nice walk.
Still going.
Yeah, we're on the home stretch now though.
But yeah, that was quite nice actually.
Probably only about 2 k's or that. So definitely some steps. They lied about it being flat, but very nice walk. Yeah. Nice way to end our Grampians trip.
Yeah, very similar to Carnarvon Gorge, this area, I would think.
I would agree.
A lot more separate individual walks, whereas Carnarvon Gorge is sort of that.
They sort of chain them together. But at least you're not going in and out the same way like you are with Carnarvon.
Yeah.
But no, very nice. Well, something's had an absolute ball with our bin.
So they must have.
There's supposed to be a yellow
left it there.
plastic bag with all this rubbish in it.
I dare say someone's picked it up.
Interesting.
Join us in the next video where we get to explore the beautiful Otways National Park, and we even get to do a little bit of driving on the iconic Great Ocean Road.